I'll show you how to allow apps from unknown sources on your Fire TV stick. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing. Once you've done that, please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. The first thing you need to do is just go to your home page on your Fire TV stick by pressing on the home button on your remote just here. If I go and focus it, this one here. So tap on the home button. And then what you need to do is go across to the right until you see that gear or cog icon. So just tap across like this. And then go down like this. And you need to go down to My Fire TV, just using the arrows on your remote. Then, as you can see here, I've got the option for developer options. And what you need to do is go and click into developer options and then scroll down in the developer options and you'll have the option for allow apps from unknown sources. Mine says install because I'm yet to go and have any apps from unknown sources yet. As you can see on the right hand side, you're able to grant permission once you install an application that has that ability. So if you don't have the option for developer options, I'll show you how you can get it. So what you need to do is from the My Fire TV page here, you need to go and click on About, so select that. And then it's going to go and give you some information about your Fire TV stick. So make sure your Fire TV stick is highlighted like that. Mine is the light version, yours will be 4K. It doesn't matter. And then all you need to do is click it 7 times. So click the select button with that highlighted 7 times. We'll do that now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep clicking and says no need, you're already a developer. Mine said that earlier on because I was already a developer. And then once you've enabled developer mode, you can then go back and you're going to have the developer options here and you can click on it and then go and enable the unknown app setting. So there we go guys, that was a quick one. If you found it useful, please consider leaving a like. Peace.